Hey everyone, welcome to the 2021 TapRooT Global Summit. We're here in Knoxville, Tennessee in our wonderful convention center. Extraordinary event this year because it's a hybrid event. We've got people on screens from around the world that are watching in and participating, and then we also have a great crowd here in person, and it's so far this morning has just gone off wonderfully. Obviously in everything there's little technical glitches here and there,
right,
and we're working through those, and everything's now starting to run very smoothly. So we're really excited. And Emily Pritt is here, and she's a SI staff member, and this is her first summit, and you've had some fun experiences so far.
Yes. So the first giveaway is I have this little button here that all the other first timers have unless they've taken it off the badge. So it's a good way to go, oh, it's your first one too. The thing I've enjoyed the most thus far, day one, getting that start, is the name game. So I've heard it kind of brought up in meetings when we're preparing for this. I had no idea really what it was. And now that I've experienced it, it's so cool just to be able to network. One of the guys I was sitting with at breakfast, we both assumed that the people on our list also had us on their list, which is not the case. So you just feel like a bunch of people moving around up from their tables. You see name tags, but they're not there, trying to scurry around.
Paradise, he works really hard to pick specifically who people meet. He has his own science behind how this happens, and you're on his list on that person's list for a reason, because he thinks that you can get some great value out of that connection, and he really puts a lot of time and effort into that. So you enjoyed meeting some new people this morning.
I did, and in the process of trying to kind of get those three names, then there would be other people who would stop you and say, "Oh, I see you on Facebook or LinkedIn," or they see the articles that we write on the blog, and so it's good to have those introductions as well. And I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it's great. And we've been interacting, like we said, virtually with people. In the name game, you had some people sometimes to find on your Hoover app and try to connect virtually and on video that way. So that was kind of fun too. It's the first name game I've ever seen where we had people on their phones.
Yes.
So people were talking to people and on their phones.
So I had somebody who was virtual, and so we put in invites to connect, and then trying to dial and call somebody for that video. They're on a call with somebody else. You don't realize that. So that was also kind of the rushing around trying to get all those names in time. That was fun, just to be able to see. The person I talked to was in the States, so that was good. The same time zone kind of thing when we connected, but it was fun.
Well, we've got some exciting things coming up. We are actually best practice presentations went on this morning, and Sean Holden, Jeff Gleason did a spectacular job on that. We've got lunch, and then we've got great keynotes. Shannon Miller this afternoon, I think, is going to be so exciting.
Yes.
Gold medal gymnast.
Yeah, she's won twice, right, as for a female.
She's phenomenal. We love those inspirational speakers. They really get us charged up, and it's a great way to start the summit. Always great. And then we have a reception this afternoon after that session. So, I mean, it's just fun. It's something going on all the time. If you are not joining us this year, and we hope you join us next year, you just kind of keep an eye out. We may do some Facebook Lives along the way. We kind of tend to do that, and we hope to keep you updated on what we're going to be doing. One of the things you're going to wish you would have been attending this year, if you're not, is during some breaks, Emily and Anne are going to be doing some yoga stretches type things.
Stretches.
So
we have to, safety first. But a lot of it is when you're sitting in sessions, whether you're virtual or here in person, things get a little tense. So
I think
you
that's
gotta
going to be
do
fun.
some stretching and get the blood flowing.
I think that's Summit brand new right there.
You're welcome to join us. Come on over. Start stretching.
Not in a dress, and then tomorrow we've got all kinds of wonderful things lined up. So if you're not here, we're going to do some recaps for you, probably starting next week. So probably over a several week period of time, we're going to do recaps of the summit so you can see what went on and you can start making your plans to attend the next one. Well, Emily, thank you so much. I'm glad you're enjoying your first summit.
Yeah.
You're doing fantastic. I mean, she's just like a little go-getter. She's amazing. So, but anyway, stick with us. I mean, we'll probably do a few more of these. So just keep checking back in on your System Improvements Facebook page.
Yeah. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.